Hi everyone, welcome to Hi Chef channel. Thank you for your good supports. We need more supports in future. Today we are going to make vegetable pilau. We can tell vegetable rice or Navaratna rice or Valencian rice. There are a lot of names, but we call it vegetable pilau. It's very simple way I'm not using too much ingredients for this because it's a quick rice if I say. Please take good standard basmati rice, long grains, and carrot cut into the cubes. It will be very nice. We can use green peas, broccoli, raisin, and some hard vegetable if you have. You can use also, and cashew nut. Cashew nut and raisins are optional. Cauliflower, some carrots, and red capsicum cubes. Now you can use green capsicum cube also, up to you. For the spices we need only simple little cardamom powder, some salt, and white ghee or pure vegetable oil. Take a deep bottom pan, heat it smoothly, don't make burn. Add some oil now. Don't wait until it gets smoky, and you can add cardamom powder now. Slowly it's adding, and again I'm saying don't make smoky. Smoky make your rice will get very bad smell. And add now your vegetables. First you add hard vegetable, carrots, cauliflower. Need to little time to boil, so we're not adding any onion, garlic, ginger, anything, because this is like a Valencian rice, festival rice. It's a colorful rice and it's very tasty. The washed basmati you can add 1 cup for there, and now you start to stir slowly until the carrot color touch with the rice and the rice getting nice flammable smoke smell. And now you adding salt. Please careful, don't add too much salt because your vegetable will not get good taste, real taste from that. So now we will add our other vegetables slowly. You can see now it's easy. All other vegetable we are adding, even the broccoli, because we are not going to cook so much time our rice. See this 5-6 ingredients only, we are not using so many items here. And you can add little cashew nut, it come more tasty. Don't try to add any rose water or any artificial flavor for this. No chicken stock or anything, just plain. We cooking with our vegetable flavor. It's a pure vegetarian rice, no chicken stock, no Maggi cubes, anything. You know the rice limitation. If 1 cup basmati rice, we need 1.5 cup water. It's up to every measurement. Even you cook 1 big bottle of rice, we need 1.5 bottle of rice. That is the limitation of rice. And when it's boiling time, you cover nicely, airtight, and reduce the fire not to touch your pan for minimum 15 minutes. Your rice, one piece not touch in the bottom. See, I add some mint leaves to get more extra flavor. If you don't have mint leaves, you have coriander leaves, you can add, but not bay leaves or any other ideas. Okay, now we covered, and you see I covered with small tissue paper in the lid hole, so the air will be stay long time inside the pot. It's cooking with the steam. I reduce the fire until the last, so it slowly cooking by steam. So when it's cooking by steam, there's a secret: your rice will be getting long and it cook very nicely and smoothly. The rice is done. See, the rice is not touching each other, is very clearly, smoothly, one by one can remove, and you see the broccoli is not overcooked, and the rice is looking very perfect. This good with, if vegetable kurma you have, or small chutney, or some vegetable curry. If you are a non-veg, is good with chicken kadai, something like a dry dish. Now we are going to plate our rice. You see how I plate is simple, and the rice looks very nice. It's enough for 1 kilo rice. I can take 1.700 gram rice, and it's enough for 4 people. The rice is done, and our presentation is simple presentation I'm using for this plate. See, and you can see how much it's look very beautiful, the rice. You can, from far you can see even single pieces coming. Our dish almost done, everything done, ready. Please check the presentation and try to make same way. Don't add anything, you will get good results of your rice. Please subscribe us. Thank you very much for watching my videos. We need more subscribe, and please share my videos with your friends and with your relatives. Give me comments to improve my videos. Subscribe again, make likes, go to my Facebook page and Instagram page. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.